To pay FNB bank charges with Ebucks, start by logging into your FNB online banking profile using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Ebucks section where you can view your available Ebucks balance and rewards. Next, select the option to redeem your Ebucks and choose the account you want to pay the bank charges for. You can then select the specific bank charges you want to pay with your Ebucks, such as account fees or transaction fees. Enter the amount you want to pay using your Ebucks and confirm the transaction. The Ebucks will be deducted from your available balance and the bank charges will be paid. It is essential to note that you need to have a sufficient Ebucks balance to cover the bank charges you want to pay. Additionally, you can only pay bank charges for accounts that are linked to your Ebucks profile. To get the most out of paying your FNB bank charges with Ebucks, make sure to regularly check your Ebucks balance and rewards. You can also set up notifications to inform you when you have earned new Ebucks or when your balance is running low. By following these steps, you can easily pay your FNB bank charges using your Ebucks and make the most out of your rewards. Remember to always keep track of your Ebucks balance and transactions to ensure you are making the most of your rewards program.